What's going on, Wash fam? In today's video, we're going to go over beginner pressure washing equipment that you actually need. Sometimes you buy super unnecessary things, and I've been there, and sometimes you get sold on things that you don't quite need yet. So we're gonna go over the things you will actually need to get your first jobs rolling. First thing you are obviously going to need for your new pressure washing business is a pressure washer. So we're gonna go over two options. One is going to be at the $1,550 price point, and one is going to be at the $2K. So the difference between these two machines are going to be belt drive versus gear drive. One is on a skid, one is on a rolling cart, but both will serve the same purpose. All products mentioned in this video, guys, will be linked in the video description. They are all at selfishspray.com. We're at the physical location in Southeast Florida, but if you end up liking anything that you see, I will link all the products individually. Also the website, so you can just shop around if you'd like. First option is this 4,000 PSI, 4 GPM PSI machine. This is from the company Pressure Systems Innovation, and this is going to be the gear drive. If I were brand new, I would not start with anything smaller than this. I would skip the Home Depot stuff, but this will actually get you rocking and rolling on these job sites. You can use a downstream injector that it comes with. You can use a surface cleaner that you'd like to pair with it, but this is a good starting point.
Biggest difference you're gonna see between a gear drive and a belt drive is on a gear driven machine, the pump is a little bit smaller. So you're gonna have the heat that transfers from the actual engine through to the pump, heat up that pump, and because it doesn't have as much oil in it as what a belt drive will, the life expectancy might be just a little bit shorter on it.
Really quick, before we move on to the next item, you guys, I want to thank the folks over at Zarla for sponsoring today's video. Zarla is the easiest website builder platform on the market, in my opinion. You can have their AI technology completely design your website, or you can go in there and actually tweak it and adjust it yourself. But one of the main reasons I love partnering with Zarla is because they're a company that actually wants the pressure washing guys to succeed. Not only can you have a fully running 10-page website for $9 a month, but it is also fully optimized for search engines. So you can run Google ads with this website, you can rank on SEO, you can do anything you would with a big name brand website builder. I've literally wasted thousands of dollars trying to find the right marketing agencies, trying to find the right website designers, when you can do it here for $9 a month. And unlike a lot of website builders, they have an awesome support team that is ready to go and help you out right when you need it. If you don't have a website for your wash business, you guys, you absolutely need one. It's gonna not only be your modern day portfolio, but it's going to be credibility added to your business. Take advantage and check out the link in the video description below. And again, thank you, Zarla, for bringing such an affordable option to the pressure washing industry. So this is the belt drive, and as you can see, you guys, that box back there, right there, is the actual belt underneath. It's just got a cover on it. But like JR said, you're just gonna get a little better life expectancy out of this machine, and the price difference before tax is about $450. So if you are really serious about this industry, maybe you've already started and you're looking for a little upgrade from your Home Depot machine, this is definitely the one to roll with. Also, at the end of this video, you guys, there is actually a package deal if you buy a beginner kit. We have it here at Selfish Spray, but if you buy the bundle package, you will get some freebies. We'll cover that later. I'll show you the package. Also, you guys, before we move on to the next item that you will absolutely need, both of those options for the pressure washers comes with pressure hose, comes with a gun, comes with tips, comes with a downstream injector. So you're covered in that area. Maybe grab a couple different soft wash tips, rinse tips, but you'll have mainly everything you'll need with those machines. Next up is a surface cleaner. So you are going to absolutely need one of these if you are cleaning any flat surfaces, which typically are going to be your first type of jobs anyway. You're going to be doing pavers, cement, driveways, back patios, and this is just going to make it 10 times more efficient than using your wand. So we'll go over two options right now. First option, you guys, is actually the most budget friendly, and it is on sale. It is a killer deal for a 20-inch surface cleaner. It is the RotoEase Advantage. And the awesome thing about this, you guys, usually cheaper surface cleaners come with some really skimpy internals, but I'm gonna flip this over for you so you can see the bar and the swivel. It's actually very nice for the price point. So $400 will get you this bad boy right here. And again, limited time, it is on sale. If I didn't have a surface cleaner and I needed the 20-inch, I would swoop this thing up right away. Look at the big bar on the bottom, you guys. Very similar to a Whisper Wash. This is a nice upgrade to have on a budget-friendly surface cleaner, because again, something like the BE models and just smaller, more budget-friendly equipment, it comes with a smaller bar and it is more prone to getting damaged on the job site. So it's nice to have a sturdy bar come with a surface cleaner like this. And if this does get damaged, these bars are replaceable. And obviously the tips on the end are totally interchangeable. So if you need to use this for a 4, a 5.5 or an 8 GPM, you can totally switch everything around. to make it more custom suited to your machine. But also check out the swivel on this bad boy. That is a thick, sturdy swivel. For this price point, this is what I would recommend. This thing is awesome. Option number 2, you guys, is the Whisperwash Ultra Clean. So Whisperwash is just the industry leader when it comes to surface cleaners. JR has had the same surface cleaner for 10 plus years, still runs perfectly. I've had Whisperwashes that have lasted my entire 7 years being in this industry. So these things are just indestructible, and everything is replaceable. Every little piece, whip lines, skirts, bars, nozzles, guns, anything that you would need for this is absolutely replaceable. So if you're looking for one that you want to just last for a very long time, I would recommend this. I have used this exact one for a long time, and it held up great. I can't speak for the other one. I'm sure it's a great surface cleaner, but I can testify for this one. This thing is amazing. All Whisperwash products up there. If you have bigger machines, you want bigger surface cleaners, we got the big guy, the Mini Mondo, the 20-inch, they're all up here. Check them out on the website. But this is what is included in the pressure washing starter kit. And if you want to swap out for the other more budget-friendly surface cleaner, the Advantage, you can do that, and JR will still honor the freebies that I will mention later that you get in the starter kit package. And there it is, boom, beautiful, beautiful piece of equipment. Again, Whisperwash is just the industry leader when it comes to very functionable surface cleaners. Next on the list, you guys, we are going to jump into the Softwash side of things, and that is a 12-volt Softwash system. So these are your Remco pumps. We've got some bigger 7 GPMs, and we've got a 5.3 GPM, which I would recommend if you are just getting into this, definitely start with the 5.3 GPM. Very durable, reliable 12-volt systems, as well as the 7 GPMs. But if you are not yet experienced with these things, just get a feel for them with the 5.3. You can over apply with the 7 GPM very easily. So just get your feet wet with this bad boy right here. So the price point on this 12-volt system is $250, you guys. That is easily the profits from one job. You can have one of these, and this is just going to change the way you wash. This is going to be your pre-treat, your post-treatment, your roof cleaning, anything that you need above a downstream mix. This is what is going to take care of it. And then for $399, you have the Remco 7 GPM pump. This is, again, a great option, but I would not recommend it if you don't have much experience with a 12 volt.
So your basic 12 volt Softwash system is going to include a pump, which is $250. You're going to have the hose, which is going to be 1/2-inch poly. We should sell it for $1 a foot. That's going to be $100 in hose. We're going to have the Softwash 24-inch gun. That's going to run you another $50. And then we have a tank. This tank right here we sell for $300.
And the last thing you will need, you guys, for a beginning pressure washing setup, just a typical garden hose. This is Flexzilla. It's a very popular brand in this industry. Holds up very well. This is 50 foot of 5/8, so this is going to run from your pressure washer to the customer's spigot on their house until you get a buffer tank, like a water tank or a slimline tank, something like that. You're just going to be hooking straight up to the customer's house. But that is absolutely everything you will need to get the ball rolling, you guys. If you're just looking to invest in the right stuff right away, this is it. I myself started with Home Depot crap, and I wasted money on that stuff and then had to buy this stuff. So I could have saved $1,000 from Home Depot and just went straight to this. This package is $34.50, you guys, and you can buy it online or you can buy it here in the physical location. And again, the 3 soaps come with that if you buy this package. And again, remember, if you want to switch out the surface cleaner and save a couple $100, you can do that as well.
So with this starter kit, we include all of the plumbing parts and pieces that you're going to need for the Softwash system. It's all a basic system, but if you do want to upgrade it all, we have these really nice stainless systems that we can upgrade you to that will put you to 1/2-inch hose, 1/2-inch stainless, look really good and sharp. Part of our bonus that we're going to give to you, we're going to give you 3 different soaps. We're going to give you a rust guard, a surfactant, which is going to be lemon drop, and then we also give you wax guard. These 3 things Rusty runs on his trailer. This is all going to be included with your parts and pieces. This is going to be part of the starter package, whether you buy it online or in store.
As always, Wash fam, thank you for watching these videos. If you got any value out of it, please hit the thumbs up button to push this to the right audience. Let new pressure washers see this video. We greatly appreciate it. And in 1 week, Clean Money merch is live, you guys. So I got on the hat right now, which comes in 3 different colors. We got a really cool camo one on the website that you need to check out. And then I got the $99 special right here, rocking it right now. You can check this out on the website as well. We got a couple other shirts that you might be interested, but if you want to support the channel, go check out the merchandise. We will be live in 1 week. As always, Wash fam, much love. See you in the next video.